The purpose of purpose adjectives, an essential English guide. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting and essential topic in English grammar, purpose adjectives. This is a part of our series on adjective placement in sentences. By the end of this video, you should be able to understand what purpose adjectives are and how to use them correctly in your sentences. So, let's get started. Purpose adjectives are a type of adjective that describes the reason, aim, or use of the noun that follows. In other words, they tell us the purpose of the noun. They typically come before the noun they modify. For instance, in the phrase, dining table, dining is a purpose adjective that tells us the table is used for dining. Let's look at more examples to understand better. Training shoes. Here, training is the purpose adjective as it tells us that the shoes are used for training. Sleeping bag. Sleeping is the purpose adjective as it signifies that the bag is used for sleeping. Wedding dress. In this case, wedding indicates the purpose of the dress, which is for a wedding. In each of these examples, the purpose adjective comes before the noun it describes. Now, let's learn how to use these purpose adjectives in sentences. I need to buy new training shoes for my gym class. Don't forget to pack your sleeping bag for the camping trip. She looked beautiful in her wedding dress. Notice how each purpose adjective in the sentences gives us more information about the reason, aim, or use of the noun that follows it. Keep in mind that while many purpose adjectives are formed by adding ing to a verb, not all adjectives that end in ing are purpose adjectives. For instance, in the sentence, I saw a running man, running is not a purpose adjective but a present participle describing the action of the man. There you have it, everyone. We hope this video helped you understand purpose adjectives and how to use them effectively in your English sentences. They are a small but powerful tool to add more precision and clarity to your communication. So, keep practicing, and you'll soon master the art of using these adjectives. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.